Hello everyone, Akash here. It's been exactly 1 year the Neo hair lotion I review in my channel, and I personally used it for 3 months. Many successful stories that I'm going to share with you in this video, and also some people concerning about after using it they got their hair back and how they could keep their hair, so make sure they don't lose hair again. Since it's been 1 year, I will be giving out 2 of the Neo hair lotion end of the video, so stay tuned for that. How could you get it? And if you're first time here in my channel and you have no idea, you never heard about Neo hair lotion before, this video definitely going to help you. Again, this channel is growing really fast. If you really need help one-on-one, always reach me through Instagram or my email address. You're gonna find both in the description box. Many times I do get email from people and they bought the Neo hair lotion, they bought the fake one. You have to make sure before you buy it, make sure you're buying the original product. If you're in the USA, then you don't have to worry about fake product, because if you buy from my link, it's the original authentic product you will get. But if you're outside of USA, there's few things I'll show it to you right now. This is very important. You check before you buy Neo hair lotion. First thing, you're gonna check the address in the site. It's made in Thailand, and you see the exactly address I'm showing you on the screen right now. This is the address it's supposed to show every single original product. Second thing, you're gonna look at the company logo, green wealth, make sure it says on it. And the third thing, you're gonna look at it, 120 ml, make sure it says on it. And when you see it on the side, make sure you check at the expiration date. You don't want it to buy expired product. If you're losing hair right now and you're thinking, can I use Neo hair lotion and that can help me to regrow my hair? There's 2 very important things you need to know: how you losing your hair and your hair root still there or not. If your hair root is no longer there, then highly unlikely any product you're gonna use in the market is not going to work. If you use Neo hair lotion, and I'll show you another hair oil, within a month and 2, if you see any baby hair coming out, that's mean your hair root is still there. If you don't see any baby hair coming out, that's mean your hair root is no longer there. Somebody might tell you, oh, use this, it might work, use that, it might work, but your hair root is no longer there. It doesn't matter what you're gonna use, it's not going to work. So if you start losing hair right now, don't wait. Hair root is typically there for 3 years. If you start losing hair last 2 years, you gotta do it right now before your hair root completely close off. And after that, you cannot do nothing about it. Many people got their hair back using Neo hair lotion. Amal Abdi used 2 bottles of Neo hair lotion and he got his hair back. Many more successful story you'll see in my channel playlist. If you just go and look at the comment section, you will see many success story about Neo hair lotion. It's a very simple way to use it. Don't use it too much. I always say don't use too much. Just see the spray, just spray a little bit wherever exactly you need it, and comb your hair in the morning and you do it in the afternoon. So you just do twice a day. Don't use too much. If you use too much, you get white stuff. So this is why every time when you get white stuff on your hair, that's when you're using too much. So don't use too much. What's gonna happen when you're using Neo hair lotion within 1 week or 2 weeks? You're gonna see rapid hair growth. So when you have that rapid hair growth, your hair roots get weaker. So what happens? You need a really good hair oil to make sure your hair root stays strong. So let's say you use the Neo hair lotion for 2 months, 3 months, you got the thicker and fuller hair that you deserve. Red onion oil, if you use this overnight, make your hair root stronger, and when your hair root gets stronger, you're gonna see less and less hair fall. This is what you need, because once you regrow your hair, you want your hair fall to stop. This way you're gonna keep your hair and no longer you will see hair fall. People always ask me the question, dude, I got my hair back with Neo hair lotion, but I'm just worrying about my hair fall. You need a really good hair oil. Red onion oil, you could use it overnight, like you could use like 3 times a week. You know, just in the morning, you could just wash it with cold water. But if your hair situation is really bad, I would recommend get the Moroccan oil. Moroccan oil is very expensive, but start with the red onion oil. If this works for you, then you don't need the Moroccan oil. It really depend on your situation. Should you use red onion oil or Moroccan oil? You could send me your hair pictures, so this way I could see exactly what your hair situation is, and this way I could recommend the best oil for your hair. So make sure you don't lose your hair again. Again, you could reach me through Instagram or my email address in the description box. If you're really serious about your hair and you think you're losing your hair because of the nutrition, then I would definitely recommend you to get the Biotin hair supplement. This one, I'll put the link in description box. You'll find a detailed video about this Biotin hair supplement in my channel playlist. You could always get it from there. You could take this 2 a day, like a dietary supplement. This way you don't have to worry about, did I get enough vitamin or nutrition for my body? You don't have to think about all those things. This has like 10 different kind of vitamin in it, so that definitely gonna help your hair roots. Like vitamin A, vitamin D3, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, even vitamin B12. Don't use any chemical shampoo on your hair. Use Biotin shampoo or ginger shampoo, baby shampoo, or caffeine shampoo. You'll find all those shampoos in my channel playlist called All Hair Growth Product. You could check it out there. share. I do have, reach me. If you see something you're not sure about, you could just send me the photo of that product and you're thinking to use, so I could tell you best of my knowledge if that product is gonna be good for you or not. If this video is helpful to you, if you have any other question, you could always ask me in the comment section. This channel, I just hit 50,000 subscribers.